Absolutely loving this color combo. We got just regular geraniums and then silver mound. Looks cool. And actually, even with the neon green and then the like purple, looks real good. Like that. That's a winner. Okay, check this out. This is the New Day Bronze Gazania. That's so crazy. And then Maverick Orange Geranium. Oh my god, did I call those other things geraniums? Anyway, that's bright. I don't think I actually like it, but I got a lot of orange out here. I didn't realize. Got the fire pokers, the New Day Bronze things, the Maverick Orange Geranium. And then look over there. That's the one from OCS, the Gazania. They're pretty cool. They're kind of weird though. They only open in like full ass sun. So I probably won't do them again, or I'll do them in like a partially shaded area. Okay, last update I want to show you. Also, look how blue that is. Woo. Check this out. Loving this color combo. Purple, the like kind of bluish, lavender kind of colored argertum, and then I think it's green wizard, coleus in behind, peeping around. Pretty cool. I like these. These are the Kiss Rose Gazania. They fade really quick. It is really strange. They only open when it's like hot as shit in full sun, and then they're closed all other times. Okay, one last color combo. Look at that. That's really cool. And also the reason I'm wearing a towel on my head is the deer flies. They're trying to kill me. See? You're so beautiful, puppy. What are you doing? Hello, baby. Come on, we coming back? You're doing so good. It's crazy. Break time? Okay, no problem. I'll be over here. You coming to hang out? All right, take a break. It's getting hot. I'm gonna have to go get you a bucket of water. Right, beautiful? Yes. Little garden update. And I think this is the best our like yard has looked in quite a while. Except I haven't done the edging because the weed whacker ran out of gas. So the hedge. New corner garden. Center garden. Other corner garden. Anyway, I wanted to show you. Check it out. So the fire pokers are getting a little past prime, but they push up new ones. I probably would do it a lot faster if I deadheaded them. But here are the Gazanias, and it's like about 2 p.m. So they're all open. There's the peekaboo eyeball plants, kind of cool. The argertum, kind of gone crazy. The what's that shit called? Concord barberry, and those guys bounced right back. They're doing good. Some alyssum, some asclepias or butterfly weed, and then there's a gladiola that like volunteered itself over there. I forget what strain or variety of coleus this is, but it's supposed to do okay in full sun, and it does. It's like bright yellow. It's supposed to be chartreuse, but I feel like, you know, in full sun it does that. The Sibylla Silene, this one's doing really good. It's kind of like gone wild. I like it. This one hasn't bloomed yet. But yeah, oh, and there's another one. So these are the same variety. Check out that color. And then check out that color. Kind of cool, but like I was saying, they're only open when it's like midday full sun. which is wild to me. Let's go look at the center garden where there's more. So here are the bronze ones. They're so cool. And then, oh, look at that little bee going nuts. Oh my God, he's having fun. It's like catnip. Anyway. Oh, I never noticed that one. That's new. Cool. I didn't notice because, you know, like 4:30 when I got home, these are all closed. They're only open when it's hot as shit out. So you gotta put them somewhere like you'll actually see them all the time if you plant these guys. That's my verbenum. Verbenum? Superbena? I don't know. Imperial Blue, proven winner. It came back from last year. That's an annual. Anyway, I'm not very excited about this year. They're not looking as good as I usually like, and totally don't know how, but did all orange and purple. And then here's the other corner and the hedge the whole way, nice and cleaned up. This morning I did this whole side by hand. Buff was out helping me. And then by the time I got to like here, the deer flies found me. So I did the rest with the lawnmower. Fun times. Here's the other side. Looking very like full in the front areas. But the Sabella, these are different color. Not blooming like crazy like the other one. But these corner gardens I'm pretty happy with. Except for my Ruby Fall red buds, which are totally dead and not coming back. $50 each, thanks. Oh, I want to show you the green twisters over here. I pulled one out thinking it was a weed by accident and put it back, and it survived. They're pretty cool. This is what happens when you rejuvenation prune a Rose of Sharon that's gone all wild. I don't know if it shows up as well on camera, but holy shit, the blooms. So I think this year, after it's done blooming, I'm gonna shear all that crap off again, and then I'm gonna try and make it a tree standard. Pretty cool. Hey, sorry, me again. One last thing. Just wanted to show you all these lilies. They're super nice. Ooh. Anyway, super nice. I like them, but they're 100% not as advertised. I forget, this one's supposed to be black, this one's supposed to be white. That's pretty close. This one, which is like faded peach, is supposed to be neon green. Thanks, Brex Bulbs. That is false advertising. By the way, that's totally me. I like wander around the garden all the time, just looking at stuff, inspecting, looking at what I need to do, and I'm like, nah, I'll do it later. I'm gonna go check on my almond before the squirrels get it. If I can figure out how to get up there. Oh my God, I need to clean this shit real bad. Oh Jesus. Oh, I gotta clear this out. Rose of Sharon, Rose of Sharon, Sharon. Ah, there's a bunch of little almonds. Ew. It's not looking so good leaf-wise though. Okay, how do I get up there without dying? Everything's so overgrown. Okay, they're not ready yet. Nice. Four almonds. Why is it all brown? Okay. What the hell is that? Is that a mushroom of some sort? Oh, weird. That is weird. Is that dead man finger thing? Looks like a crab leg or something. Oh, it's covered in goo. That was about mid-July. Now it's the beginning of September. So I'll just show you another little update. Since I filmed that, I basically haven't worked in the garden at all, really, because it's either been too hot or too many mosquitoes, or for almost 2 weeks now, I had COVID. So today was the first day, and I'm actually feeling pretty damn good. So thanks to that dirty bitch that wasn't wearing a mask at work, I basically haven't weeded forever, but this is the reality of life sometimes. So here's the garden now. So we've got the hedge over here. I did plant some stuff along here, and I dug out a bridal spirea and replaced it with that really cool cryptomeria. So here is one of the corner gardens. Pretty overgrown, but everything's looking lush and demure and mindful, as they say. Getting pretty bad though. I gotta get in and start weeding this again. Well, that's one corner. The whole front hedge is actually looking pretty decent. And then there's this. So the zinnias ended up being true to type for their color, which is nice. They filled out like crazy. The fire pokers are just about to start reblooming. I didn't deadhead them at all, or else it probably would have happened sooner. Yeah, a lot of orange though. And I'm not sure I like the blue fescue around the whole thing anymore. We've had some volunteer, what are they called? It's a type of carnation, but they stay really short and they're kind of like a ground cover. Love them, but I had dug them all out of here and they came back, but this time I let them stay. Oh, and that reminds me, the super ribena. Oh, cool, volunteer sumac. Let me just pull that sucker out. God, I hate these things. Oh yeah, the super ribena not looking so great now. Anyway, so that's the center garden. It's doing better for weeds. And this is the other corner garden. Like, holy crap. The shit gone wild. That argyrdum stuff is crazy on this side. We've got these thistle things popping up everywhere that I can't keep up with. And when I'm weed whacking along the front, because they grow like crazy there, I call it spicy weed whacking because they stab you nonstop. The eyeball plants have just gone crazy. They're still so neat. The coleus doing all right. These, what is it, golden barberry? Doing pretty good after I trimmed them right down to nothing. The Concord barberry, though, got smothered and they turned green. But they're doing good and healthy. Can't even see this one. Oh, there it is. See? Fully green. No longer purple. So it's the sun that keeps them purple. Yeah, I really got to get in here again. This side, looking pretty good, I guess. My perennial hibiscus, well, needs to be deadheaded, but it's looking pretty good. And then we had a massive tree fall right where I parked the trailer. Luckily, it's not there right now. Okay, now let me show you the library garden, which I don't know if you've seen the video before, but we created this garden here also this year. And we've weeded it twice. And then we got like a week straight of rain. And this happened. So, you know, I gave it a good old try over here. Starting to weed and keep up with it. And then, you know, got COVID, gave up. And yeah, the marigolds are still looking pretty good. What the hell did I call them before? Anyway. There's little zinnias popped in all around in here, which would probably look awesome if I got in here and weeded everything. Okay, so that's that one. Looking pretty lush. Oh, the Rose of Sharon. Let me show you the Rose of Sharon. So that's the Rose of Sharon now. Fully done blooming, which is kind of weird because if you look just behind me, that one's blooming good. All the other Rose of Sharons are blooming like crazy right now. That one flushed out a bunch of blooms, and then now it's just kind of like, I'm done. And then I'll show you the white ones that I bred. Pure white. I bred those. Anyway, those need to move. And I think that's about it. You know, working full time is really interfering with my garden life. See you next time.